Now in this case today, I'm going to use a simple glass cleaner and a scouring pad. This is a specially formulated scouring pad that's used for cleaning the glass before we normally apply an Enduroshield treatment, but it's perfect for getting all that grit and grime off really dirty windows. Now it's really simple. All you do, after you've washed it down with the fresh water, give it a good spray with the glass cleaner, the truck wash, or any sort of similar product that lets it all soap up and become nice and wet. The key here is to make sure that you've got a lot of moisture that's applied to the glass. Moisture provides lubrication to the glass and will stop your scouring pad or rag from scratching it with the grit that you're trying to remove. Once you've sprayed the glass cleaner or truck wash onto the window, you simply take the scouring pad and lightly go over the glass to try and remove any excess residue. Simple, round in circles, all the way from one panel all the way to the bottom. We're working over the panel of glass to ensure that there's no spots that have been missed. And as you scrub, usually you can hear this lifting off the glass. We don't want to be applying too much pressure, but nice and consistent, making sure that no spots have been missed. Depending on what product you use, it will foam up. You can clearly see that the whole entirety of the glass has been cleaned. The next step, you take a simple squeegee, household squeegee, start from the top and simply remove all the residue that's now on the glass. Starting from one side, a consistent process all the way down. Now in some instances, this could be the final result. For your household windows at home, your sliding doors and that type of thing, this might be as clean as you need them. You can simply wash them again with fresh water and the job's done. How easy is that?